Okay, today we're going to be solving two-step inequality word problems. So we're going to set up inequalities to solve each of these word problems. The first one says the cost of renting a boat is $20 plus $2.50 per hour. Millie wants to spend less than $50. So the question is, how many hours can she rent the boat and spend less than $50? So we can set this up. We know that X equals the number of hours. We know that there's a fee plus the hourly charge. And we know that has to be less than the total that she wants to spend. So the fee is $20 plus the $2.50 times X, because that's the hourly charge, and it has to be less than $50. From there, you just solve it like a regular two-step inequality by subtracting 20 from both sides, and you'll get $2.50, or 2.50x is less than 30. You'll divide both sides by 250, and then you'll use your calculator and you'll figure out that X is less than, and I'm going to say that's going to be 12. So Millie must rent the boat less than 12 hours if she wants to keep under her $50. Okay, let's look on at our next one. Florencia has at most $60 to spend on clothes. She wants to buy a pair of jeans for $20 and spend the rest on t-shirts, and each t-shirt costs $8. So basically it wants to know how many t-shirts can she buy at most and stay under $60. So X equals the number of t-shirts. So we're going to have the jeans plus the t-shirts has to be less than $60. Can she spend $60? Well, it says at most $60. So that tells us that she can spend $60. Okay, so when it says at most, that means yes, you can spend $60. So the jeans are $22. Plus 8x is less than or equal to $60, the total amount she wants to spend. So this is really supposed to say total. And so we subtract 22 from each side. We get 8x is less than or equal to, and 60 minus 22, I believe, is 38. So we divide both sides by 8, and x is less than or equal to, let's see what 38 divided by 8 is. 38 divided by 8 equals 4.75. Now think about your answer. How many t-shirts can she buy? She can buy, let's buy 4 t-shirts at most. Now she can buy less than 4 t-shirts and still be okay, but it's no more than 4. Why isn't it 4.75? You can't buy part of a t-shirt. All right, Mr. Coppins, you know him, he's the art teacher. Mr. Coppins needs at least 60 paintbrushes for art class. He already has 22. If paintbrushes are sold in packs of 8, what's the least number of packs he will have to buy? Okay, so we should have X equals the packs of paintbrushes, and so it's going to be what he has plus the packs, and it has to be greater than 60 or equal to 60 because it says at least 60. So greater than 60 or equal to 60. So what he has is 22 plus 8x is greater than or equal to 60, as this is his total he needs. We're going to subtract 22 from both sides. That seems familiar. It's kind of scary, isn't it? Like we've done this problem before. And this time we get 8x is greater than or equal to 38. Divide by 8, divide by 8. X is greater than 4.75. So let's think about, what does this mean? What does our answer mean in this time? Is he going to buy 4 packs? Well, if he buys 4 packs, that's 32. And 32 and 22 is only 54. So in this case, it says X must be greater than 4.75. So he must buy at least 5 packs of paintbrushes in order to get his 60 that he wants. So it's a little different than the last problem. This is why it's important to interpret your answer at the very end.